The More tab is effectively all the missing functionality Facebook removed when it eliminated the side menu, UI. We won't implement most of this stuff, with the exception of user settings, which I'll do later. To keep the code short, I added a static import of the font image class so I can reference material icon names directly. The code itself is trivial. We use container again and not infinite container, which is necessary in this case. We also have some padding all around and activate scrolling, which is important. The Me button will lead us later to the settings UI. Right now, the CSS API doesn't support line borders yet, so code handles that. Every button icon has a different color/icon with roughly the same UI, so a generic method to create the button can solve that. The generic method just generates a multi-button with the proper border color to create the circle effect on the icon. There are quite a few UI IDs here, but most of them aren't custom UI IDs. They are built-in UI IDs from multi-button. Multiline 1 represents the first line of a multi-button. The avatar of the user we want for the avatar of the user we want more margin, so the text will be better positioned. The second line of the multi-button is gray and noticeably smaller. The circle icon itself has noticeable padding and a large font size for the icon. With this, the mockup of the main UI should work and run. There is one last piece we need to go through before going into the server code.